The Gauteng Department of Social Development, together with the City of Johannesburg, earlier today engaged residents of Orlando East to address service delivery challenges and to explore solutions. The outreach forms part of ongoing community engagement with various government departments providing essential services directly to the residents. MEC Nomantu Nkomo Ralihuko says the initiative will be expanded to other areas and will include additional stakeholders to ensure communities receive the support they deserve.
Isebe lophuhliso loluntu eGauteng lizibandakanye noluntu lwase-Orlando East ukuthethisana nalo ngeengxaki zabo kunye nokuzisa ngqo kubo ezona nkonzo zidingekayo.
Ingxaki ye-drugs abantu bathetha ngayo, ingxaki ye-unemployment abantu bathetha ngayo, abantwana babo bafuna ama-bursaries abantu bathetha ngayo, and I'm happy that I have stalls there that are responsible for that, even those that are saying if they need bursaries, they must get bursaries. So there are quite a number of things that this department will assist and help. Just to be here today because we've partnered with Harambee. You remember Harambee is dealing with young people. It's a provincial government, a program that government has been doing. But it gets more strengthened. When I get into their stall, already more than 20 young people that have registered in the stall. The only way of basizikazulule ngaki the GBV, so victimize kwabantu. One of the stalls, they are dealing directly with the schools on issues of bullying, which I was happy about it too, that they are doing that. They're even going to the classrooms and teach children about drugs. That's another program that we must definitely utilize as the Gauteng provincial government.
Umphathiswa wesebe lophuhliso loluntu Nomantu Nkomo Ralihuku uthi enye kwinhlelo kukuqinisekisa ukuba amasebe adingekayo ayinxalenye yeliphulo.
I'm really happy about this program because it takes us from the offices to the communities. And what makes me more happier is the partnership that we have received and the collaboration that we are getting from all other key stakeholders that we are working with them. You can see we have even SA Youth that is focusing just on young people, Lifeline, your child and protection centers, almost all the organizations that are benefiting from the Department of Social Development. They are part of this program. They are not enough. There are very few these ones because it's a region by region. But even in this region of Johannesburg, we have more numbers. But what we're going to do now is after these meetings to sit down with them. We've agreed that we'll have quarterly meetings with them, assess the work that they've been doing with the department and make sure that we improve in areas where there is some work that we're not doing.
Elisebe lithi liza kutyelela indawo ezohlukeneyo jikelele ukuqinisekisa ukuba kuxhamla abantu abaninzi kweliphulo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eOrlando West.